How to download Outlook for Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store or your App Store on your device. Then on the search bar, just search for Outlook. And here you can see the option of Microsoft Outlook. Now just install that application and wait until it gets installed on your device. It may take a while depending on your internet connection, so wait for a while and it will get downloaded in your device. Now tap on open when the file or the app gets downloaded. Just open up the Microsoft Outlook application. Then you will be led to the home page. Now it will look something like this. Here you can add account. You can just create new account. Here I'm typing for creating a new account. Now when you tap on create new account, you need to start from creating an email and start from scratch. So you can just create an account, create password, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.